Good morning, traders. I just made a trade and forgot to record it. Actually, I recorded the wrong screen again. Now I'm on the right screen here and I'm recording, and I missed the I was going to come out and take the trade that I called in the charting, but I missed it. I'm going to take another one here pretty soon, and we'll see which direction the computer wants to say it's going to go, and I'm going to take that trade in just a little while. So I'll be back shortly to take another trade. Be back soon. Okay, I have taken another trade here. The computer has given away a tell that it is going to move down. I have got a 70 tick exit on this. Going for 70 ticks, it should be able to make it. Should be able to make it with very little difficulty here. So you are seeing, by the way, I called this trade out in my charting service before it ever even happened. And I am taking the exact trade, and I am using the breakout technique that I am now teaching within my charting. Because this breakout technique works very well. It's very easy to do, and you don't even need to free trade your way into the second system here. You can just use the breakout technique. It's all about charting it out properly to know exactly where the breakout will be and how to take it properly. So I am using the breakout technique as exactly as I described within my charting service. The computer has given away a tell that it is going to move down, and now it's just a matter of time before it does so. I will be back to show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade, but I've got a 70 tick exit on it, and I fully expect it to make it. I'll be back very soon. This thing just came up and hit my stop, because I just got a 20 tick stop on this, and I just took another short position here. Let me see if I've got it covered right now. See, the problem with this particular trade is the range on it is really big, and it's so easy for it to go within that range and hit the stop so easily. That's what you've seen it happen to me a few other times. But it is going to go down. The computer says it's going to go down. It is going to go down. It's just a matter of not getting my stop hit. So I have retaken another position here. It was a little bit late to it. Wish I would have gotten a little bit better entry right there. But it's okay. It's going to start heading down, and I will be able to hit the 70 ticks on this one this time. So I will come back shortly and show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. Okay, unfortunately this thing wants to shoot up again close to my stop, so I've had to reposition the stop to a much larger stop, because there's nothing I can do about it though. It's too easy for it to go up and hit the stop, and it won't hit it right there at 61. Let me just confirm that one more time. Yes, it won't hit it right there at 61. See, that's the power of knowing how the computer works. The computer will tell you exactly where to place the stop. Now I could have did that on the original one, but I hate doing that type of thing. It may go all the way up to 60, but it won't hit 61. That's the power of knowing how the computer works. Anyway, I will come back shortly and show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. You can see it right there, that 60 is the top. Well, the computer says that that's the top. The computer says that. It won't go past that point. It's going to move down from this point downward. So I was forced into having to place it all the way up there since it started to move it back up. And you know, sometimes it does that, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it just keeps on going. It wants to play hardball today and go up there and go towards, you know, we would call that like a double top right there for a chart play. Well, that's the power of knowing how the computer works though, to know which direction this is ultimately going to go and where the exit will be. It should make that the exit down there for 70 ticks pretty much no problem. Anyway, I'll come back. As you can see now, it's going all the way back down now, and what it did was it just wanted to shoot up there really quick as a one last shoot up before it finally makes its big move back down here. And what it is oil is really moving. As you can see, it went up from 31.71 all the way up to 33.60, which is like a 190 tick move. I wasn't here when this moved up right here. I was busy doing something, and so I didn't even see it happening. Otherwise, I could have jumped in very easily. But you know, I don't have as much time for trading as I would like. You know, I'm pretty busy where I'm at right now and doing personal things and stuff, and you know, so I don't have as much time as I've had in the past. But in the future here, I'll get more time and be able to do some more trading again. I'm also considering to start a fund that I've been talking about for a while, but just haven't had the time to do it. But a lot of people want me to start a fund, and so I may do that here soon, because I know a lot of you would like to make money, but you're not really traders and you want me to do it for you. You know, I understand that. Trading takes some time and some practice and some experience, you know, just like anything. Anyway, I will come back and show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. As you can see, it's now moving down. See, it just made that one move up first before it started to move down. By the way, I want to get into the habit of bringing up the atomic clock to prove that this isn't a replay. I'll be right back to bring it up. Okay, I have the atomic clock and Google, so you can see it right here, the official NSAT USA time, right? Let's bring it up. Click on it. You can see it's coming up here now. It's going to say synchronizing in a second. It's going a little slow. Okay, now it's synchronizing, and now it's giving the time. It is Thursday, February 4th, 2016 in the Pacific time, which is California time. And to minimize that a bit, you can see that's the same time as what you're seeing. My clock is off by about almost 30 seconds. I don't know why it's off like that. I need to synchronize my clock on my computer. But this is the official government atomic clock time, and the atomic clock is aboard the GPS satellites. So this is accurate time, and you can see that my software also is saying the same thing. So they're corresponding with each other. It's not some sort of a replay or anything. What you're seeing is the real time. It's 7 o'clock in the morning in California time. Anyway, just wanted to prove this isn't some sort of replay. And you can see I know what this thing's going to do before it even does it. I called out this trade in advance. The only thing I had to do was change the stop. And the reason for that, for those of you who are in my charting and everything, you have to realize this thing is really moving. I mean, it moved up 200 ticks. So oil is really moving right now. It's moving. So to come back down, it should hit the exit, no problem, for 70 ticks. So I'll come back, show it to you. In fact, I could probably go for more than 70 ticks, and I might do so. But, you know, still 70 ticks is a good trade. Anyway, I'll come back shortly. Just wanted to give you a quick update here. It's getting close to the exit. Just has to make it down here to 61 for a 70 tick exit. So it's getting fairly close. I'm just going to go for the 60 or the 70 ticks. I could probably push 80, 90, even 100 ticks on this trade. But currently, you know, it shows 8:04 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, because that's my normal time that I've been trading from for 16 years. So I still go by that time because it's like normal for me to trade from that time. But currently, in my current time right now, it's 11:05 p.m. so it's late here, and I don't want to stay up for too long. So I'm just going to hit the 70 ticks, and then I'm going to be done for today. So anyway, but there is a very high probability that I could get more if I wanted to push it. Just wanted to show that. It's just basic math. It's how the computer works. You can see, you know, I took the trade short. The thing shot up. I had to place the stop, you know, above this top up here so that it wouldn't get hit. And I knew it wouldn't go higher than that. Computer told me, and I knew it would come down. And you're seeing it all happen. Seeing it all happen now. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the atomic clock again to prove the time. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the atomic clock up again. And you see that it is 8:06 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, February 4th, 2016. And you see it's the same time that it corresponds with the software as well. So you can see there's no hocus pocus taking place. This isn't some sort of a replay that some people out there would love you to believe that this is some sort of a... They would say anything that they could possibly think of to try and discredit this because they have an interest in doing so. Basically, what it is that they want, they don't want people around the world, the Chinese, the Japanese, the Europeans, the South Americans, and everywhere in between, the Australians, the Americans, the Canadians, the Russians, the people all over this planet. They do not want people to know that all of the world markets, not just oil, are all being controlled in advance by a computer program. Nothing in this world really trades. The only thing that really trades is individual stocks. They really do trade. Everything else is a scam in the sense that a free market is not controlling them. A computer is controlling them in advance. So there is no emergency with respect to oil of any kind. There's no fear. It's going to go as low as they want it to go. It will go as high as they want it to go. Nothing is out of control, just the exact opposite. Everything is 100% controlled. And literally everything is like that. There are no emergencies, there are no crises, nothing. It's all completely made up. Everything. Anyway, I am going to come back and show you the outcome of this trade, but it's not going to take much longer. It'll be at the exit. I'll come back. Okay, it's really close here. 10 more ticks to go. Okay, I just wanted to come back here very briefly and show that the trade was successful. It made it from 70 ticks down, and so that was another successful trade. Now, I called that trade out in advance in my charting service before it ever even happened, and I used the breakout technique that I am now teaching within my charting service. I'm basically giving the exact breakout method, exactly what to do. So it makes it ultra simple for everyone to take. Very, very easy, very, very simple. So anyway, I am now done for the day. I'm going to get ready for to go to sleep here soon and go to sleep. An easy day, easy trading. All you have to do is know how the computer works and, you know, practice at it, or get my charting service, allow me to do the tracking for you, tell you what the breakout technique is going to be, and then you can take the breakout technique and nail these trades just like you see me doing. I will be back tomorrow to do some more trading. I'm not going anywhere this weekend, so I'll be back tomorrow on Friday to take another trade or two and nail the trades that I will call out in my charting service before it will even happen. So I will see all of you tomorrow, and I'll wish you a good weekend before it even comes. Happy trading out there. Hope you traders are doing well.